Okay, how we doing, guys? Super excited for today's video. I am going to be looking at something called PHO, like the noodles. No, it's actually ticker symbol PHO. Okay, and it is basically a water ETF, so you can trade actually water on the stock market. Okay, and this is one of the ETFs available for purchase. I like this a lot for shares. I like this a lot for long-term leaps. Okay. And we've been in my buy zone lately. So guess what I've been doing? I've been slowly accumulating shares. Okay. Um it's trading at like 55 bucks right now. I am looking to I've started dipping my feet in it. I'm looking at least own at least 100 shares so I can sell some covered calls against PHO. Um but anyways, besides that, let me real quick go over what I have drawn up. Okay, so this is the COVID crash. Obviously, we have the weekly chart pulled up. I just want to show you from the COVID crash up to its most recent highs was 128%. Okay, and nobody really knew about this stock. I know I didn't. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys actually knew about PHO a year ago, 5 years ago. I just discovered it recently from one of the members of the options trading tycoons Discord. You can go ahead and join them. We have a plethora of resources. It's a really great environment and lots of good stuff going on in there. Anyways, with that being said, back to the video. So weekly, if you can see here, my buy zone's up here. It's all of this. Okay. The reason being is because if we can see here, if we get to the 200-day simple moving average, which I'm trying to make this as super simple. Okay. Specifically, this video is on minimum 5-year investing. Okay. Personally, that's what I'm looking at doing right now. That is why I'm making this video. If you are interested in some 5-year investments, water's great in my opinion. Okay. And a stock you can invest in water through is PHO. Okay. So with that being said, I have no problem accumulating at the top of the buy zone and any points in between here. And if we do get below the 200-day simple moving average, which as you can see, the yellow line is the 50-day, the red line is the 100-day, and the orange line is the 200-day. A lot of times on stocks like the S&P and the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones, these are awesome dollar cost averaging entry points, okay, for long-term investments. Because you at least know you're getting it on sale. So you could say that, hey, we're, at the 50 SMA sale, we're at the 100 SMA sale, now we're at the 200 SMA sale. So we're approaching the 50 SMA sale. So to me, it's starting to get on sale. And if we drop any bit lower, I cannot wait to purchase some more shares because I'll get to do so at a cheaper price and it'll just make it better for me. I don't see this. I mean, just look how beautiful this chart is. It's just straight up. Okay. So it's a great long-term investment. We're gonna go down to the 4-hour chart real quick, and I'll go ahead and pull up the my 4-hour drawing. Um, so in the short term, okay, I just want you guys to see we have a little bit of some bullish divergence. Okay, we have here's our low right here, and then we made some lower lows right here, and on the RSI here is our low, and we made some higher lows. So that's a form of bullish divergence. You could have seen that playing off today with the big rally after its drop. Okay, so we dropped hard, and that would be right here. Okay, so our bottom is right here where we closed. And if you notice, the stock rallied. You know why? Because it was riding this bullish divergence momentum, okay, and bouncing off of the trend line. So look for another possible bounce right here. AKA the stock would do something like this, trade sideways or fall a little bit. Um, okay. And you could look for some bullish call options, day trades, or possible, short-term swing trades at a bounce level right here. Okay. However, like I said, okay, we'll go back to my weekly chart real quick, just so you can see here. Okay, why is my buy zone not up here? Why am I not buying at all-time highs? Because I don't want to buy at all-time highs. Okay, I want to see it touch some form of, former resistance and, find some support there and see if we take off from there or if we drop below. So that's currently what we're doing. So I'll show you guys how to draw a support line. Okay. So as you can see, if I put my arrow right here and double click, okay, I now have a support line. So we can see that was our previous high, and look at where we're touching right now. So our previous high is now, so our previous resistance, our previous high is now our new low and our new support. Okay, so as long as we maintain this, we have bullish momentum. Okay, which is why I'm accumulating here, because we may not fall below here. I may not be able to get as good of a discount as I want at the 50 SMA, the 100 SMA, the 200 SMA, and below. Okay, but in the chance that that doesn't happen, I'm going to start accumulating shares right here because I'm looking 5 years into the future and I'm saying, hey, you know what? There's some possible support right here. We could be finding support. This is the weekly chart and we've tested it twice. Who knows? This could be a good sign. And then what do you know? We go down to the 4-hour chart. We'll pull my 4-hour drawing back up. And, we have some bullish divergence. We have lower lows on the stock and we have higher lows on the RSI. Real quick, I want to show you guys this channel right here would be a handle, okay? Because I don't know if you guys see what I see, but what I currently see is what's called a cup and handle. Here's our cup and here's our handle, okay? So we have our cup and we have our handle. This is what's known as an inverse cup and handle because it's upside down. So this would be a bearish momentum play. With that being said, what you can do is you can draw up a channel, okay? And you can basically go off the lows of here and the highs of here, and that'll be your little channel, okay? And from there, what you would look is for the stock to, it would basically cancel. The inverse cup and handle would be canceled if the stock starts to open and close above this top trend line right here. And you can say, okay, this bearish pattern is invalidated. We are now bullish. Or if you see us bounce up here and fall below and start to open and close below this bottom trend line of the channel right here, then you could say, okay, well, now we have a bearish pattern with confirmation of a bearish breakout. Let me go ahead and day trade this for the next day or two because this is a 4-hour time frame, and I know in the near term we have further bearishness. Okay, so this is a great example of you could be confused. You don't know which way to go. Okay, I'm showing you guys a bearish pattern right here, and then I'm also showing you bullish divergence. What am I telling you to do? Am I telling you to buy? Am I telling you to sell? What I'm telling you to do is that this is a long-term investment for me. I'm showing you guys my buy zone for long-term shares at the moment. What I'm offering you is the chance to day trade or swing trade, call options or put options on PHO with 2 entry points. Okay. So if you are bullish on the stock, okay, and you see it drop and you see the RSI come and hit your bullish divergence right here, you could enter here, or if it dips a little bit below and then find some support and starts to bounce, you could enter there and you could look for, the next few hours or the next day to sell based off of this analysis. Okay. And also, if we have an inverse cup and handle, we need the handle to fill out. So we also need the stock to go up. We need the stock to come up here. We need the stock to be up here tomorrow, to be honest. I mean, if we want this thing to play out, we need the stock to be up here at these levels. So we need short-term bullishness. And what do we have? A short-term bullish pattern. Okay, so you could in the next few days catch this bullish momentum up and get some call options. All right, and then immediately, if you notice that we hit resistance up here and it starts trading below, you can say, oh man, this could be an early entry for puts, or I can wait for confirmation below this channel and then catch puts because this bearish inverse cup and handle pattern has now validated. Okay, so you can ride bullish momentum up and you could get an early entry here and try to catch the play down to here for a good swing, or you could wait for validation of a breakout below this channel and confirmation of this inverse cup and handle pattern. So there's two different ways right there. I just gave you guys how to make money on ticker symbol PH. You can make money on it in 5 years, or you can make money on it within the next week with the breakdown I just gave you guys, either trading options or investing long-term with shares. So let me know if you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Leave a comment below on any suggestions or topics you want me to cover.